Welcome to WH Creator. In this video, we're going to learn how to enable the Delete Confirmation Dialog on your PC. Sometimes when we delete a file, it goes straight to the recycle bin without asking for confirmation. As you can see here, when I delete this folder, no confirmation dialog appears. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's fix that in just a few simple steps. Go to your desktop and right-click on the recycle bin. Click on Properties. In the Properties window, look for the option to display Delete Confirmation Dialog. Simply check this box. Then click Apply. And finally, click OK. Now, when you delete any file, you'll see a confirmation message asking, "Are you sure you want to move this file to the recycle bin?" As you can see, the confirmation dialog is now appearing just like it should. That's it. The Delete Confirmation Dialog is now enabled on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WH Creator for more easy and useful tech tutorials. And make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.